Oh my days. Get my balance. Oh my days. Okay, okay. I don't know how to do this.
I'll do it.
Fucking.
No, not there, not there.
Oh, the other way then.
No.
What the hell, man? Wait, that's the other same way.
Just like doon muna na ako.
Done it. Yeah, that's what I did earlier.
Dumano ko niya.
Go. Let's do it faster.
Okay, you do it. Straight and press it.
Yeah, sure.
Masay lang na.
Oh my days.
No, straight, just that.
Oh. Oh my days. How?
No, just straight it, just like this. Just like this, nothing else. And you do.
Oh. Like with force? I do not want to break the fish accidentally.
Yeah, that's, hindi yun lang. Don't too much more. Kulang.
Ngaya, mukha mo na mag-kiss-kiss. O, Dre Ali, no?
Ay, alam ba ako salamat dyan.
Wait lang, isa-isa lang. Mamula na.
I told
One way.
you did it, you said the same thing.
Basaan nyo anay tubi para maghumok. Kaya na-aysa, oh.
Okay, masama na rin.
Saan mo lang? Yeah, you can do it.
Ato, sa...
Yeah. That should be enough. Let's go.
Okay.
Isa din kamay lang.
Wait lang, ganito mo yan.
Isa lang kamay lang.
Yeah.
Step 1 to cut the fish. Yo!
Yo, this is so fun.
That's not so fun. Dito, pag after na we cut the fish, ilimpi yun, dahil ni cut the fish, cut the part of the fins after that.
Then ito on, yes.
We're not gonna cook, we don't have a time.
Now we're cooking.
Tapos ang mo, Jess?
Pwede kami ko alam sa isa.
Oh?
Araga!
Gumit lang, wala namang gamit.
Sige, thank you.
Oh.
Bagay ka ulat. Uguya. There.
Matiyal?
Di persa. Himala.
Ano?
Not too much force.
Ano mo na eh?
Di yan na.
ba ito apin?
Let me do it now. I wanna have fun. How do you do it? Like this?
Yeah, dito. Hold it by the tip para masapos.
Sir, nasa siya sir mo. Make sure to take documentation video. Good. Sir, nagaling ko sa kay amo. Take it, ha? Basta tinduan tali ka na. Yes.
But how much do we got? Only the skin or like?
The wall thing. The skin is hard to take off.
Start na daan yung video.
Hey, do not stop that. Do not stop that.
Why?
May video ka mo?
Yes.
Dili ka uyat ko.
Ikaw bro.
Wala. Sige. Presahan mo siya. Gloves. Next, ka mga gloves.
Naguba akong sir. Ano nag-isip ka na sir?
Ral, pinay lang Ral. Kaya ang is... Dito na, dito. Talang mo.
Yeah.
Okay. I understand it.
Then I see you in the corner, on the corner of the ship. There I'm moving. I'm not moving. Oh, don't forget the fins.
Yeah, no, later. That's later.
I mean the tail scale.
Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be hard to do. That's why I told you to do at the start.
Hey, I just listened to the instructions, man.
That's what you're supposed to do.
Why not? The past is the rust.
You don't wanna touch a fish.
Oh, you hump the fish, dude. That. It's raining.
It's raining scales.
I think that's I.
The wolf thing, I guess.
Okay, that's the other side too now. Let us look at back of the paper.
Have to double check, no wonder. Oh my
Should I do this one?
Yeah, you do it. I do the wolf thing because I did some of them now. Put in some force. Yeah, like that. Boy,
Yeah.
Now we have now after that we have to pause it. After that, so we can.
And I
Yeah,
see
put
you
too much
in the
force.
corner. Yeah. I will be careful with it.
Yeah, just let her. Yeah, just the bottom part now, just the left.
Right there.
Ah.
Oh my bad.
No. That was Nando. I'm doing nothing.
No, you did the other side, so like this is fair.
Okay, basta na yung tubig din. We cut the fence. Then we start. Then atong tweezer.
A what?
Tweezer.
Oh, I think it was in the room. Or is it in my pocket? I forgot.
Now let me do it. You search it up. Now you find it. Oh, you put too much force. Now there's a liner.
No, it's fine. It's fine. They're not gonna notice.
Okay,
They're gonna like we have to cut it anyway. No. Okay. Then, ikukulit ka mo ito dati.
where'd you found it? You found it?
I'm trying to find it in my pocket and I cannot find it.
Find it in your room.
Oh shit, we might have lost it. Jesus Christ. No.
Record it. I'll do it.
You have to watch this.
Yeah, exactly. Let's check out our beautiful Rushville cleaning his ducky.
Pakis! Uy, pakis ang isda!
Clean it. Clean it.
Uy, gago, nag-blood yaw.
No, this that. No, it's all good. Eh, ano na. Next part is to cut the fence. Next part is to cut the fence.
Yeah, but last time I can't find the ano.
The fence are in the. We first do the back. Anything.
I can't find my tweezers.
How do I do this? How do I cut the fence? Like, we don't want to cut that.
I think it's like. You gotta force it, but we have a knife, so like.
If we force it, that means you're cutting this. We're only cutting the fence off.
Jeez.
Okay,
Oh my days.
Just cut this first. Just cut that first.
Dapat ito tanan, di ba? Ari lang ako.
Just that. Do that. No. Just let me cut na lang. Yeah, keep going.
Oh my days, if I only have a butcher knife, it would have been easier. Hey, oh my god.
Yo,
look like it's big.
Yo, that's okay.
Oh wait, we're posting this in YouTube, by the way. Oh my. Oh my days, why ka?
Yes, paano mo yung motor Diyos, oh?
Gamitan ko nila.
Gunting, yan. Ano, yung ipat nagpaano ka nyo?
Gani.
Yeah, amay mo na yun eh. Taste yun. Nandasig lang, tapos na. Wala ko lasig.
Gaya, malwa.
Lasig na ah.
National.
Okay, kablo, nasa mga dito mo.
Kung tawag na ito, pag ginang ko sila, why did you
Abi ko sundong gina. Tiga ba? Okay, thank you.
Okay, do we like cut it in half?
Sir, ano na yun, sir?
Di ba ano naman, sir? Ito nga, una, mga ano.
Sa back lang. Sa back.
Ay, sa back?
Ano, sir?
Dili.
Ha?
Suli. Sinulat yan na. Suli.
Dali, oh.
Amo na dyan ah. Yeah.
Let the pros do it. Let the pros do it.
Dali, sir.
Dali, nagay.
Sir.
Awit, are. Dali. So, dapat sa back mo. Ang gatubang sa mo sa back.
Sir, okay na gulo sir ah.
Hindi na mo.
Okay, ano, sir?
Biyak, ako na biyak sir.
Luwaton.
Sir, biyak, ako na biyak.
Mana ah. Tapos, ingitaon yung bones. Dapat sa babaw lang kamusang bones, ha? Sa babaw lang kamusang bones, dapat.
Okay.
Biyak, biyak. Sir, why pa ba na? How you do it? Hold it. Just above the bone. Be careful with it.
What's ang bone?
Okay mo na gulo sir. Di Sala na sala.
No, watch it again. Take it again.
biyak, ako na may manila na gulo.
Okay, it's above the bones.
Sa back gani kay wala. Kaya pa matisirang kini. Ano ko pagpakita kasi nito. Pagwala mo ang back dati back sa
Yes, keep going, Lord. That's perfect. Keep going.
Step into mi casa, lay it down.
Keep going. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, are you sir? Paano ba, sir?
ang bad mo ra, ibutang na ra, way na maikron. Ibutang na.
Oh, I think we messed up. I think I cut too high.
Sir, okay na ni sir. Basta sobrang ni sir.
Basta nagamayan, sir, kapag ano? Tama sa, nagamayan. Taasan siguro sa ray, no?
Okay na? First ako na lang? Yeah. 9 minutes.
Ay, abig ko na taasan.
Diretsuhan nyo kayo para hindi madunot in yung fish.
Okay, sir.
Tapos here, persahan nyo.
Ito doon git.
Okay.
Pero full ka mo din nga party, basi mapusa iyang kapait na bala.
Ay! Ano?
First ako na.
Ah, di na magpapaiya, ano, sir? Ang ano daw.
Ari na di sa sugod mo.
Okay. Because na lang. Ano din? I think we still have to cut it.
Pwede mga tinaya sa lahat.
Slowly. Just be careful.
Be careful, dude.
I'm being too careful. That's what I do to it.
But if we mess up,
We mess. Okay, good. That's good. I think we have to take testing off the intestine.
Which one's the intestines?
This is stomach. Ano, ano tayo na question?
Sir, din na yung intestine yan. Ayaw mo
Hindi, tanan gid gano'n na po. Tanan niya. You hate it?
Oh!
Nah, let me do it then.
No, it's fine. I have to do this
Hindi,
anyway.
aboy na yun, sir. Basura mo, no? Okay, you're going. Mati.
Oh!
Ano, patong basura. Oh, we don't have the tweezers. We have to do this individually.
Shit, where's the tweezers? We fucking mess up. Wait. Let me wash my hands.
Okay, good. Now, how do we do it?
Wait lang. Okay na, ne? Yeah! Hindi na ipagkinloan?
I think we do.
Actually,
No. I think lift na lang, bro. Ang basta tita ko ngabusang saktan ko. Ay, sita siya na. Mga tanang lift na tanang. Okay na ni tita ako.
Dinloan pa ni, di ba? O,
Hindi na ulit no. Di mo gid lift na lagi. Kuha na lang.
Ari mo muna
Oo, yun na lang yun.
Ang buko.
Okay, paano na?
You can't twist it. You have to do it individually. Now it's this bone.
Hindi mo sila dungan to, mo nakita ko duwa to. Ariyo.
Yeah, but we have to do it one by one.
How?
We asked her how.
Step into mi casa. Ayaw dito.
Bukas sa sir paano?
Kamatong mo na na niya mo. No.
Ay, nakikiyara ka na dyan, no? 3 day na, oh. Ayaw. No, 3 na tiyakan na rin kaya.
Hindi ko naman ano. Yung kambali na to. Ba't ka sa kambalaan si sir? Basta sa lahat mo karon. Ito kasi sa lahat mo karon to.
Kaya na, no?
Very good. Makakas na lang eh.
Gago, uloy din yung nila ko.
Ay, first, na yung backbone ko na.
second period nyo?
Si
Matt.
Teacher Scotty.
Teacher Scott?
Oh.
Bakit teacher Scott?
Ano lang?
Ara. Ara, cut mo da.
Ang backbone ako na.
Ato sunda, gunting ba lang?
Wait lang, be. Ano yung backbone, no?
Ano lang? How do you do it?
Frozen, abi mo. Ada.
Eh, ano naman dyan?
Ha? Oo ko no? Ha? Oo ko no? Sir, paano sir magkabukog sir?
Careful, don't cut the meat.
I don't know how to cut the You do it. I can't cut it.
I mean, don't like cut the whole thing.
Yeah. That's why I'm being careful.
Every line, dito po na da.
Yeah, being useless.
No, you ain't.
Okay, one. No, Are. Just let it be and let the other
Wala
one.
ka mukha.
We have to like get the tweezers off. We rip it one by one.
Like, just gently. This is just like...
This is the second procedure. You're doing surgery. This is a,
Muriatic acid.
this is a basic practice.
If I want to be I'm gonna be a doctor if I'm doing this.
No, that's just basic surgery. This is a practice surgery. We want to know how to do. Sir, ano tayo, sir?
Paano kung one by one yan, sir?
Say sound good, sir.
Guntis inyo, no? Sulugay ko ba?
You edit because you edit the whole thing. That's a joke. What? Ano, sir?
Ay, hindi. Kuha mo kita yan.
On sa left side sir, sa left man material. Or right lang kita.
No, I meant like
muna.
butongon ko, ro.
Example. Diba sir, dali sir, abak, magpa, ano, tul.
Alright, ano?
Right
As long
na.
as makuha mo ang iyang bones.
Paano na?
Paa?
Butongon lang?
Oo, inay lang
Smooth it. Ow. May tunok yan.
Ano naman?
Ngayon lang.
Hindi na ma-waste ang meat, sir. Sa isda.
Normal lang man, gamay lang.
Ayun lang.
Kada lang unod sir.
How do you remove the spinal bone, sir?
I-remove lang.
You take off the...
Wala akong gamot.
Cut mo na lang
You cut off this and you pull it out. Slowly. That's how you do it.
Sir, ano na mo zero now?
Matamat lang. Kaya frozen abi mo, inyong fish.
Okay,
That's
boy.
why.
Sir, dire na zero now sir. Dire lang
Wait
unod,
lang.
dire.
Ay, Rebea.
Dire lang ge. Dire lang pangalan sir.
Binot na inyo.
You have to use this to cut it off.
At least go for sir.
Damn, it's slippery.
No. Okay, keep going.
It's slippery.
You can have a little bit of ano.
Cut it a bit. Nurse, cut him open.
Yo! Okay.
Dissecting the penis.
Sige pa.
Oh, I forgot we have to post this. Oh, it's already 25 minutes. What the fuck?
I put the blood stain.
I can't do it gently if I'm wearing gloves.
Then take it off.
We can't. It would disinfect the fish.
I think we did it.
And I don't want my hands to smell like puss. I mean, like fish, like fish.
If you gently pull it out, it will hit me instead. Okay, Rashi Bell, keep doing it. I-post mo na sa YouTube.
Walang konting. Sinanay konting, Jess.
Ilan na? Inyo na?
Ganyan.
Ano lang mo, di ba?
Ginkuha, agoy, ginkuha.
Hindi mo na, ano?
Where's the scissors? You have to cut this part. There you can. Just cut it open.
No. Backbone.
The kind of backbone. Here.
Yeah, it's here. Wait.
It's there. That part. We need the scissors.
Why scissors?
No, nothing yet. That's that. No, it's not that part.
No, it is, I think. It's... I can feel it. It's right here.
Hold on. Let me see.
Does this not have a backbone?
I think isa lang good. I think this should be enough.
Sir, ask me sir, why man yan, no?
Isa lang tayo bakmunta. Makunin lang daw. Tara, ito yung duwag ito. Grab no? Hindi, duwagin na. Oh. Ito isa weird down. Ano tayo? Get all the stingy ones.
You nasty fucker. I mean, my... Oh. You nasty...
It's so good. No.
Do not wipe that shit on me.
I'm not a gore person. Trust.
Oh my days. I am.
And you don't even like it.
Bruh.
Sorry.
Why would you wipe it on my...
No, this is the part.
Do not
Didn't touch
miss
any.
that.
Jerry, you gotta look at this. We did a perfect cut, man. We did a perfect cut. We did a perfect cut. That's so perfect cut. That's a perfect
Oh damn, do not... I don't want this to... Wait lang. Asan niya? Hi sir! Doktor na ko.
Ano ka? Ito na. Ito wala na daw. Ari ito, may ari pala dito. Ariyo.
Then
Asan niya?
no somewhere.
Sir!
No,
You have to
somewhere here. Forgot to check. No, that's the bone. No, not there.
That's the meat.
Sir, din this sir.
What done sir? Oh?
Ugasin nyo na. Kita mo.
Ay, ugas.
This is how you wash fish, like gently with water. Like to wash that shit. Do you remove this?
I guess so. I think we have to get that thing out.
Wait, I think that's oil.
Yeah.
Dahil may ano pa mo na dyan. May ang ano na bla.
Please, yeah?
Oo.
Twister, lang kita man nga twister para sa buhok. Ramon.
Hindi, ipot ako sa buhok mo.
Oh no, so much.
Wala ana. Get the water out.
Tama niya, donut niya.
Dinamon.
Yan na.
Dinamon niya na, dinamon.
Ang muna yung natin sa muli, sir.
Ay, po, alam lang ako muna, sir.
Ginan eh.
Mangko tabi
Lao.
na.
Yan, ito yan. Yan, ito, wala tubig, yan. Ito, stick ng tubig. Oh, may paging good din pa.
Wait,